Okay. Let's start to do the question 15. So in this question, what are they asking? They're asking us to prepare the profit or loss statement and the, if not, statement of profit or loss and the statement of financial position. So these are the two statements they're asking us to prepare. So quickly put down the format, people. Quickly put down the format. I'll just take it from here. So whose business is this? Nadika's business, no? Nadika's business. Statement of profit or loss for the year ended 31st March 20XX. Then Nadika's business statement of financial position as at 31st December 20XX. The income statement also, profit or loss statement also 31st December 20XX. Statement of financial position also 31st December 20XX. So now we'll start recording the items which is there in the trial balance. So sales are there 725,000. Sales. Then we can move to the cost of sales. Cost of sales. Opening inventory. So inventory value they have given as at 1st January 20XX. As at 1st January 20XX. That means this is the opening. Because last day is 31st December Last day is 31st December. Starting day is 1st January 20XX. 30,000. Then we have purchases 350,000. So always keep some space to write the closing inventory or not. Do we have any loading, unloading charges, carriage inward in this question? Let's go through it quickly. We have loading charges 13,000. Loading. Do we have any carriage inwards in this question? No, we don't have. So we can keep maybe one line to write the closing inventory. Then we can go for the gross profits. Then we can go for the other income. So do we have any other income in this question? Yes, we have discount received 5,000. Discount received 5,000. So here in this question, just connect these two properly. 350,000 is the capital. 10% fixed deposit. That line has gone down a little bit. 100,000. Cash. So we'll leave like maybe two lines. We'll leave like two lines. And we'll move to the distribution expenses. So what are the distribution expenses that we have? One is discount given is there. Discount allowed is connected with the customers. Customer related expenses are coming under the distribution expense. 8,000. Discount given 8,000. And we have sales promotion expenses, sale related expense also will come under the distribution expense. 42,000. 42,000. else do we have? Bad debt is there. Bad debt also connected with the customers. 4,000. Bad debt 4,000. That's all. So we'll leave like maybe another 2 lines. And we'll move to the admin expenses. Admin expenses. So admin expenses, we have insurance 6,000. I think that's the only admin expense that we have. Yes. And we'll leave like 2 lines. And we'll move to the finance expense. So we have one finance expense, interest on bank loan 8,000. Bank loan interest 8,000. Bank loan interest 8,000. That's all. Now we'll move to the non-current assets. What are the non-current assets that we have? Building and equipment. Building is there. Cost is 300,000. Equipment is there. Cost is 40,000. And they have given the depreciation for the starting date. That means this year depreciation not yet done. This year depreciation not yet done. It is not done yet. So we have the depreciation up to the beginning of the year, how much they have depreciated we have. So I'll put a line for that and I'll write and keep the accumulated depreciation. Building 45,000. Equipment 6,000. Done. Now we'll leave like another 2 lines over here. And in this question, I saw there is a fixed deposit. 10% fixed deposit, 100,000. Highlight and keep this 10%. Highlight and keep this 10% because it's a hidden adjustment. This is a hidden adjustment. So we'll write the fixed deposit amount in fixed deposit 100,000. Then we can go for the current assets. We can go for the current assets. Always current asset, first seat is reserved for one person. Closing stock. Current asset, first seat is reserved for the closing stock. We have debtors, 70,000. I'll leave like 2 lines. Last current asset, always it should be cash. Last current asset, always it should be cash, 292,000. Total assets. Then we have the equity. Capital is there. $350,000. We'll leave like 3 lines. Then we'll go to the non-current liabilities. We had a bank loan, but highlight and keep this 15%. It's a hidden adjustment. Hidden adjustment. Bank loan 80,000. Bank loan 80,000. Then current liabilities. Yes. Sorry. Current liabilities. We have trade creditors 52,000. 52,000. So with that, we are done with all the trial balance items. All the trial balance items are done. Okay. So now we have to do the adjustments. Adjustments, I told you, always two places. So in this question, we have here one adjustment, another one, another one, another one. 1, 1, 3, 4. And here two hidden adjustments also there. So let's do one by one. Close in stock, 31st December. 31st December is the close in the last day, no? Close in stock, 40,000, two places. Under the cost of sales, closing stock. Closing inventory. $40,000. Other one is under the balance sheet, current assets, closing inventory, 40,000. Two places, adjustments, two places. Okay. Next one. Accrued expenses means past expenses not yet paid. Past expenses not yet paid. So we have to pay it, no? Liability. Insurance 2,000. So what's the adjustment that we studied? Increase the expense, record the liability, increase the liability. Insurance 2,000. The insurance is not 6,000. 6,000 is just the paid amount. To pay, we have another 2,000. Current liability. Insurance payable. Nathang accrued insurance. Anything is fine. Insurance payable, accrued insurance, anything is fine. Accrued insurance, 2,000. Two places, two places. Okay. Next one, accrued sales promotion. So sales promotion that we have here, 42,000, just the paid amount. Just the paid amount. Not yet paid, another 3,000 is there. Not yet paid, another 3,000 is there. So do remember, people, In trial balance, generally we have the expenses paid amounts. Generally ගෙවපු ගණන් තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Total amount එක. So here sales promotion expense payable or accrued sales promotion expense, whatever. Accrued sales promotion 3,000. Okay, that is also done. Next one, building and equipment should be depreciated 5%. So building cost is 300,000. 300,000, 5%. 300,000, 5%. 15,000. So these numbers you should be able to get it quickly. හිතලා ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. If you are good in maths, general you can. So 30,000, 10, 300,000, 10% is 30,000. 30,000 half is 15,000. That means 5%. Different ways where you can get the answers. So we'll record it. Building depreciation. Building depreciation 3,000, 15,000. And accumulated depreciation 15,000. Accumulated depreciation 15,000. Two places, අමතක කරන්න එපා. Okay, next one. Equipment depreciation. Equipment cost is 40,000. Cost is 40,000 equipment. 40,000, 5%. So it is 2,000. How did I get it? 40,000, 10% is 4,000. 4,000 again half it. 2,000. So here equipment depreciation 2,000. Equipment depreciation 2,000. Accumulated depreciation 2,000. Okay. So we are not done with the question. We are not done with the question because we have two hidden adjustments. So what are the two hidden adjustments? One is this 15% bank loan. So bank loan is how much? 80,000. 80,000. 15%. It is 12,000. 80,000, 15%, 12,000. Okay. You all read the trial balance properly and tell me. So interest expense is 12,000. Interest expense is 12,000. You properly read the trial balance and tell me from this 12,000 already how much we have paid. From this 12,000 already how much you have paid. Already how much you have recorded. From this 12,000 interest expense, already how much interest expense you have paid and it is recorded. In this question, already 8,000 paid and recorded. Already 8,000 paid and recorded. Done. So you can see that 8,000 under the finance expense. So we have to record only another 4,000. This is not yet recorded. This 4,000 we have to record. 8,000 already recorded. Because it is recorded only inside trial balance, it is there. If it is not recorded, trial balance again have recorded in the trial balance again the 8,000 already recorded out of 12. Other 4,000 we have to record. So we'll record that 4,000 plus 4,000. And the best thing is that 4,000 is not yet paid. Two places. I told you. Always it should go to two places. Interest expense payable, accrued interest expense, accrued interest expense, 4,000. Okay. Now we'll move to the fixed deposit scenario. Fixed deposit is 100,000. Interest is 10%. So 100,000, 10% kiyanne lamai 10,000. Then you read the trial balance and tell me out of this 10,000 interest income already how much we have received. Already how much we have received interest income. Read the trial balance from top to bottom and you tell me already how much interest income is received. Already we have received zero, nothing. Because in the trial balance is not there. Trial balance is there. If we have already received it, it would have been there in the trial balance. It is not there in trial balance means we have not received a single rupee. Huh? We have not received a single rupee from that 10,000. Entire 10,000 I have to receive. Entire 10,000 we should receive. Entire 10,000. So we'll record. It's an income. Other income, FD, interest, income. 10,000. And I didn't receive it yet. I didn't receive it yet. I should receive it. I should receive it. I didn't receive it yet. So interest income receivable. It's not accrued interest income. Anything is fine. Accrued interest income or interest income receivable. Anything is fine. So we recorded in two places. Two places. That. Now balance it. Balance the account. Balance the account. 725. 30,000. 350,000. 13,000. Loss in inventory minus 40,000. So addition of this 30,000, 350, 13,000, which is 393. That 393 is what we will call it as inventory held for sale. Inventory had to sell. But relevant hellam. Buru. Unwanted things. So we'll take the cost of sales now. Cost of sales 353. Gross profits 372. Check my numbers. 5,000. Gross profits and other income 387. Gross profits and other income 387. There are certain students, they have tiny problems. Now here we have the bad debt. They will go and write this bad debt under the debtor reduction also again. Understand, Lamai? If you are taking a value from the trial balance, you have to write it only for one place. Huh? You are taking a value from trial balance means that value is already recorded now. I give a record කරන්න එපා. Again, don't go and make any adjustments. Adjustments you have to do only for the additional information. Two places. Two place recording things you have to do for the additional information. And the hidden adjustments. Hidden adjustments. ඒවට විතරයි කරන්නේ. 8,000 How much is the total expense lamai? 57,000 plus 25,000 plus 12,000. 94,000. 94,000. Profits. $387 minus 94, 293,000. 293,000. කොහොම ගෙනියන profit එක දාන්න under the capital plus profits 93,000. නැත්නම් ඔක අමතක කරන්න. Capital 350. Now start to finish the balance sheet. Everyone start to finish the balance sheet. Balance it, balance it. කරන්න තනියම කරන්න. Okay. First 300,000, 40,000. So these two lines are getting closed from here. So these names are applicable. Before this also I told you. Only up to this point. After that, those names, cost name, accumulated depreciation name, is not applicable for those columns. Minus 60,000. Minus 8,000. My total assets are coming to 784,000. My total assets are coming to 784,000. Okay, let's do this. 443, 52. Total equity and liability. So this is adding up to how much? 584. Okay. So we will do a small change for this question. Change the cash amount to 192,000. Change the cash amount for 192,000. Do the change in the trial balance, Lamai. Do that change in the trial balance. Change the cash amount to 109. 19. 109. So here also I change the cash amount to 19. Wow. Okay, let me check the question. I think credit side total is wrong. No, I think credit side total is wrong. Give me a second. 725 plus 45 plus 6,000 plus 5,000 plus 80,000 plus 52,000 plus 350. 1263. Yes. So people do a small change in the trial balance again. Debit side total is coming to 1163. Debit side total is coming to 1163. 1163. I think so. Let me check data before doing the change. Let me check it. 350, 350 plus 300 plus 40 plus 13 plus 30 plus 8 plus 6 plus 42 plus 8 plus 4 plus 70 plus 192 plus 100. Yes. Debit side total is coming to 1163. So here 725 plus 45 plus 6 plus 5 plus 80 plus 52 plus 200,000 is missing on the credit side. That's what I wonder. So did we miss anything, Laman? In the calculation, did we miss anything? Let me check one by one. Sales 725, purchase 350, building 300, equipment 40, 45, 6, loading expenses 13, inventory opening 30,000, discount allowed 8,000, discount received 5,000, insurance expense 6,000, sales promotion 42,000, bank loan 80,000, interest on bank loan 8,000, bad debt 4,000, trade debtors 70,000, trade creditors 52,000, cash 192,000, cash 192,000. Okay. Capital 350,000, capital 350,000, fixed deposit 100,000. So let me try to figure out the issue which is there in this question, people. This question has some problem. Question has a problem. So let me try to figure it out. Till that, if you all find it, just let me know. We'll try to see the trial balance first. 350 plus 300 plus 40 plus 13 plus 30 plus 8 plus 6 plus 42 plus 8 plus 4 plus 70 plus 192 plus 100. So it is coming up to 1163. Credit side total, let's take 725 plus 45 plus 606 plus 5 plus 80 plus 50 plus 126. No, if we read this 292, it's coming up to 1263. No, these two are getting tally. Let me change this one for 292 itself. 292, 292, 784, 584. A 200,000 difference is getting created. Why is that? Let me check the adjustments also one by one. Closing inventory 40,000, 40,000. Insurance, accrued insurance 6,000, 2,000, 4,000. Accrued sales promotion 3,000, 3,000. Depreciation 15,000, 15,000. Equipment depreciation 2,000, 2,000. Here 4,000, 4,000. 10,000. 10,000. Let's see if this recorded correctly. Now, what is the problem? So if we change the cash balance to 92,000, the trial balance is not balancing it. Then there will be a difference in the trial balance. So trial balance should balance too. We change this one to 92, trial balance will become 1063. Then there is a problem. So trial balance also should balance first. That's what I checked. Yeah, now trial balance is balanced. 350 plus, 300 plus, 40 plus, 13 plus, 30 plus, 8 plus, 6 plus, 42 plus, 8 plus, 4 plus, 70 plus, 292 plus, 100, 1263, 725 plus, 45 plus, 6 plus, 5 plus, 80 plus, 52 plus, 350, 1263. Now trial balance is balanced. So if we record all the transaction values properly, we put extra 10 somewhere. Sales 725, opening inventory 30, purchases 350. Yeah, capital is opening balance. That's not a problem. So for the opening capital, we added the profits and we took the closing capital. Okay. Found the issue. Look at this figure. The profits are 293. Here we have taken only 93,000. Okay. Profits are 293. We have recorded only 93. Now fine. Now fine. Tiny error. We did everything properly. Instead of taking the profits 293, we have taken only 93. මෙතන ලියලා තිබ්බේ 93,000. Now okay. Now fine. Okay. So don't change the cash balance and all people because the right values were there. The trial balance was correct. So with that, we are done with the complete chapter. One of the very important chapters. So we did a lot of big questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. We did 4 big questions. Before that, we studied each and every adjustment properly, people. Okay. Properly we studied. So what I would suggest you, so we studied all the questions. If you can take like maybe a couple of hours, even now is fine. Maybe 1 hour wage aragena. If you can complete all 4 questions again, another 1 more time by timing yourself, accounts tika gewwa, you have the answers now. So since you have the answers, accounts tika gewwa, time yourself for like 1 hour and try to finish all 4 questions. Just give a try. Okay. If possible. If possible, just give a try. No. Until the chapter number 9, we have financial statement. That means here financial statements are done. Chapter 8 also financial statement, but not for profit organization. Chapter 9 also financial statements in a manufacturing business. So financial statement wise, it's over for in your O-level syllabus. In your O-level syllabus, that's all. So we have to do the past papers. So we have completed only the content. So past papers, I will not doing this space. Past papers, tagala fast karanno. Sorry. Not the chapter number 9, sorry. Chapter number 6 and chapter number 7. Chapter number 6 and chapter number 7. Unit number 7. Unit number 6 and unit number 7. Unit number 6, accounting chapter again. Accounting unit for not-for-profit organization. Unit number 7, it is accounting unit again. That is for manufacturing businesses, production businesses. Last unit is not accounting, it's a business studies. A theory chapter, investment chapter, theory. We don't have any numbers over there. So we have only another 2 more chapters to complete accounting wise and business studies wise, another 1 more chapter. 1 more unit. I would say probably, I guess, with the past papers, we will be able to finish the syllabus August again. I feel we will be able to finish the syllabus August 1. So if we finish the syllabus by August, by September, we can start the revision. So September, October, November, December, January. So we will be having like good 5 months to September, October, November, December, January. Yes. We will be having like good 5 months to do a revision. No? Then that's it for the day, people. That's it for the day. So next week we'll start the they are saying probably for you people January wage තියන්න පුළුවන් කියලා. Probably January wage තියන්න පුළුවන් කියනවා. But let's see, sometimes they might take it back to the December, but very tough to take it back to the December because A-levels are happening in November. Starting in November, A-levels are finishing in December. Since A-levels are finishing in December, they can't have it in December. It is very, very impractical. Very impractical. So they are telling they will give it by January. January also not sure. January, February. They will keep it. But December, highly unlikely few people will have the exam. Chances are pattadi. So start working now itself, people. Start working now itself, little by little study. Podda වැඩ කරන්න පටන් ගන්න. Because you have 9 subjects to cover. No? If you take commerce and all, very easy subject. No? Not difficult like science. Huh? Or sometimes maybe history also. The difficult subject, no? Yeah, you have to remember a lot. No? But commerce, since you have a significant portion, like 60% portion is accounting. So you can tackle it. If you are good in accounting, you can tackle it. And accounting is an interesting part also, where you have numbers, where you have to keep on practicing it. No? So start working now itself. People don't wait till the last moment. If you wait till the last moment, වැඩේ අනා ගන්නවා sure. So you have 9 subjects. Another approximately, now this is the month of May. So from May also over, June to January ගත්තරන් 8 months වගේ තමයි තියෙන්නේ ඔයාලට. So within these 8 months, you have to complete 9 subjects. That means for each subject, to complete each subject fully, studying and completing one complete subject, you have less than 1 month now. Each subject is less than 1 month. So completing a subject means what? Studying it completely. Minimum doing maybe 10-year past papers. Minimum 10-year past papers hari karala. Subject completely study karla. So for you to do one subject, you have less than 1 month also. You have only less than 1 month. So start working now itself. වැඩ කරන්න පටන් ගන්න. Don't wait till the last moment. Start studying, because one of the biggest hurdle in your life, one of the biggest hurdle. So 11 years journey. This may hurdle එක ගොඩ දාගත්තේ නැත්නම් අපරාධ. I would say rather than A levels, O levels is important. Rather than A levels, O levels is important. Okay. So start working, start studying. That's the input that I can give you. So next week people will start to discuss the past paper questions from this particular unit. Next week or week after, we will be able to finish off. Within another couple of months, as I told you, by August, I'll be able to finish the syllabus hopefully. So that's it for the day, people. Bye.